This video will thoroughly analyze the common reasons why an iPhone won't turn on past the Apple logo and provide 5 practical solutions to help you quickly get your device back to normal. Part 1. Why is my iPhone not turning on and showing the Apple logo? iPhones stuck on the Apple logo can be caused by corrupted files, an unsuccessful jailbreak, hardware damage, or water damage. Part 2. How to fix iPhone won't turn on past Apple logo. Below, we'll guide you through 5 effective methods, starting from the simplest to the more advanced fixes. Solution 1. Force restart iPhone. If your iPhone shows a flashing Apple logo, try a force restart. iPhone 8 and later, press volume up, volume down, then hold power until the logo appears. iPhone 7 sevenths plus, hold volume down plus power until the logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds or earlier, hold home plus power until the logo appears. This method refreshes the system without affecting your data and is always the first step you should try. Solution 2. Restore iPhone in recovery mode. This is an official Apple method and works well for most software-related issues. Step 1. Download the latest iTunes application onto your PC, run it on the computer, and open it. After that, use a lighting cord to link the iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Follow the steps above to force restart your iPhone and put it into recovery mode. Step 3. When the recovery screen appears, release the buttons. Step 4. A pop-up window will appear with 2 options. Select Restore to restore your iPhone in recovery mode. Solution 3. Restore iPhone in DFU mode. It reinstalls the firmware, fixing severe system corruption. However, it erases all data, so only use it if you've backed up your important info. If you do not mind losing the data, you can follow the steps below. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer, then open Finder on macOS or iTunes on Windows or older macOS. Step 2. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold power plus home for 8 seconds, release power, keep holding home until it appears in Finder or iTunes. iPhone 7 sevenths plus, hold power plus volume down for 8 seconds, release power, keep holding volume down until it appears in Finder or iTunes. iPhone 8 and later, press volume up, volume down, then hold side until screen turns black. Hold side plus volume down for 5 seconds, release side, keep holding volume down until it appears in Finder or iTunes. Step 3. Once your device is in DFU mode, click OK in Finder or iTunes, then select Restore iPhone. The system will reinstall the software, and once the process is complete, your iPhone should be restored. Solution 4. Use iOS system recovery without data loss. If you want to fix iPhone won't turn on past Apple logo on and off without losing data, you can use a professional repair tool like iOS system recovery. It can resolve issues like boot loops, black screens, and more in standard mode, preserving your data. Step 1. Download the latest application version and run the application on your PC. Select the iOS system recovery option by clicking on it. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Initiate the fixing process by hitting the Start button and following the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into the DFU or recovery mode. Step 3. Download the required firmware packages by clicking on the Repair button and confirm that the device's information on the program's screen is correct. Wait for some time, and the problem will be fixed instantly. Solution 5. Contact Apple support. If your iPhone won't turn on, Apple logo shows then turns off repeatedly even after trying all fixes, the issue may be hardware related. In such cases, it's best to contact Apple support for professional diagnosis.